Make sure the frame has been properly assembled and is right side up. Frames come with pre-drilled installation holes. If holes are missing or need to be re-drilled, then use a 3/8" drill bit, preferably a Forstner bit, to drill new holes. Note: twist bits can be difficult to use for this process. Insert a screw into the pre-drilled holes in the top of each side frame. Secure the left screw first. Make sure the frame is level, and then secure the screw on the right. Use a level if needed. Set the panel or panels in the frame and insert the hinge pins into the hinges. Move the bottom shutter frame left or right until the panel or panels are level. When the panel or panels are level within the frame, hold the bottom frame in position and place a screw into the bottom frame. Note: setting a screw into the bottom frame may not be possible. If this is the case, set a screw into the bottom of one of the side frames. Panel or panels may need to be removed for this step. If moving the bottom frame left or right didn't result in level panel or panels with even light gaps, then remove one of the top screws. Move the side frame up or down to achieve the best fit. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try repeating the process on the opposite frame side. Insert screws into the remaining holes, but make sure side frames are plumb and the top and bottom frames are level. Close the panels after setting each screw to ensure panels are level and the frames are consistent around the panels. The panel lock caps have already been installed in the ends of the panels. The wheel, or roller, can be adjusted to achieve the ideal height for locking into the shutter frame. Once all screws have been installed and panels checked to be level, cap all holes with the provided button plugs.